So we're going to talk about some of the new updated items. So one improvement that we've made on our original smoke detectors, we made our units more square just for design purpose, but it added some excess weight to the product, which some people were asking about. In the new design, we actually shaved the back, so we've removed some of the thickness, which allowed the product to be a lot lighter. So this particular model is actually similar to the Nest smoke detector. Is a new model that we have for round devices. Still electrical box, class 1, class 2. Still has the same ability to adjust all the brackets. However, it would accommodate round devices. We also have the same unit, slightly bigger with a 2-gang box, and that's for larger smokes and carbon monoxide detectors that require more thickness, more depth, and then more space around them. Now, for the thermostats, initially we had the standard Nest thermostats. Now we've made the units with the same back improvement that we have on the smoke devices to make this a little bit lighter. And the second improvement we did is we added what we call an adapter plate in the center that makes it more universal. So you can see that here on the thermostat. So we made an adapter plastic plate that actually allows you to screw directly onto the plate. So you're not limited to the device that you can put in, because you can pretty much screw it anywhere on the plate. You can also remove the plates, and then now you have access into the wall if you need to fish the wire or have a little bit more access. This particular prototype here is intended for the Lutron Honeywell Wi-Fi thermostat. And this particular model, because it's intended for a Lutron Honeywell Wi-Fi, which is normally going to be in a retrofit application with a wireless system, you may not want to go to the extent of flushing all the devices into the wall and having to mud them. So in this particular case, what we did is we actually made a retrofit box with a little lip around it, similar to standard lighting trims, with springs on the back of the box. So in this particular scenario, what you would do is you would take the thermostat that's on the wall, cut out an opening, bring the wire through the plastic plate, pull the 2 springs, set it on the bottom, bring it up, and then now that the adapter plate is out, you can actually put your hand and grab the next springs. Once you put it on the drywall, it snaps and it's held in the drywall. And what it would do, it would sit just like this on the wall. So still flush your thermostat. You have a little bit of a lip similar to a standard retrofit trim, which you can then, if you wanted to, you could silicone it into the wall, level it, and let it dry to finish it off, or it could actually just sit just like that, which actually looks pretty good as well. And the beauty of it is having the thermostat flush in the wall and not sit on the wall. Besides these particular models, we also did one with a wireless access point.